watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As call given by PSC Matewada to observe 60th Martyrdom Day of Major Bhupinder Singh, they are demanding that the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, it should be reinstalled over here at Bharatnagar Chowk, and the tank captured by him from Pakistan should also be reinstalled over here at this point. So today, on the call given by PSC Matewada, different organizations, they have gathered over here. There are members of PSC Matewada, there are ex-servicemen, there are people associated to the Punjabi Language Association. So we will try to talk to the person who are protesting over here and also observing the 60th Martyrdom Day of the Major Bhupinder Singh. We are having with us Mahinder Singh ji. Mahinder Singh ji, what do you want to say about today's occasion?
Today it is very unfortunate that such an incident has happened. The Punjab government as well as the administration, they are well aware of the fact that any board whichever is there as per this gadget also, that has to be in Punjabi. I can show you the ruling which is there. Okay, and that is one point. In Punjabi, what they have written is, they have made a heart and then they have put the letters SC, means say, and then they have written, in Punjabi what they have written is Ludhiana, Lalla, L, that is in Punjabi, and UDHIANA is, now, don't tell me that Punjabi language does not have the script to write Ludhiana properly. And that is an insult to the state language and also to the this rules which have been established by the Punjab government. Apart from that, what happens is, from time and again, Punjab government gives instructions, orders that every name of every street, every nameplate, all that has to be in Punjabi. That is one thing. Second thing is that Major, we are proud that we have given the country a real national hero in the guise of Major Bhupinder Singh, and the person who was donning this place over here, and proudly it was presented along with the Patton tank which was captured. Now don't tell me there is anything more important than that. And this person and this personality, he is as much the pride of Hero Cycles as it is of every Punjabi. So our request is, please reinstate the statue as well as the Patton tank over here. Let this be maintained by Hero. That way they will be rising in status, that they are supporting a national hero. Mistakes are made already. Okay, a mistake has been made, it can be corrected. So there is no confrontation as such on that point. I hope we see a better time, and we feel more proud of the Punjab. And this is not only the pride of Punjab, it is the pride of India. Whatever Major Bhupinder Singh has done for us, or Nirmaljeet Singh Sekho by downing four of their Pakistani planes, So we should give them honor. And our children, they should take lessons from here. When they ask their parents, what is that, whose statue is that, they'll be able to tell them. So that is great. So I hope we see better sense prevails. Thank you so much.
So he was Mahinder Singh, and he clearly mentioned that their demands is that statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, it should be reinstalled over here, it should be reinstated, as well as the tank captured by him from the Pakistan, it should be reinstated over here. And moreover, it is being mentioned by that the signage here, where as the chowk has been now been maintained, given to the Hero Cycles, so the signage put over here, I will show you the visuals, that it is written as Dil Se Ludhiana. So Dil Se Ludhiana has been written here in full English. You can see a heart has been made, and SC, say, has been written in English, and Ludhiana has been written in the English alphabets. So on the other side, there is another signage in which Dil Se Ludhiana is read in Hindi language. So proper all the alphabets are written in the Hindi language over there. So we will show you the visual of this signage as well. So you can see it is written on this side. This signage has been installed on this side where Dil Se Ludhiana has been written in the Hindi language. Proper even say has been written in the Hindi. Ludhiana has been written in the Hindi. But when we talk about the Punjabi, as Mahinder Singh, he also mentioned that it is the insult to the Punjabi language. So we will show you the signage in Punjabi language, how it is installed over here. So on this side, the signage in Punjabi language has been installed where a heart has been made, but say, S-E, it is written in English. And when it is about writing Ludhiana, so only Lalla, the L alphabet, it is in Punjabi, rest other alphabet are in English language. So the people, they are protesting over here. There are two demands. First, to reinstate the statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as the tank captured by him from the Pakistan, and another to give proper respect to the Punjabi language. So today, different members of different organizations, they have gathered over here and they are observing the 60th Martyrdom Day of the Major Bhupinder Singh, as well as they are presenting their demands. So this was all about today's protest.
They have not written any name of Ludhiana in English. In Punjabi, you can see Hindi also, English also. Where is Punjabi? Is it any other state? So they are not giving the preference to English or to Punjabi, which is our language. This is also issue.
Yes, I've mentioned that on the there are three languages highlighted by them: Ludhiana, Hindi. But when it is about Punjabi, only one alphabet is there in Punjabi.
Just one alphabet is there, and so where is our culture and our language? They're just killing our languages, our culture. This is
Your name and your
my name is Paranjit and I am a young entrepreneur. But it feels very bad when we see, when we go to Chennai, when we go to Ahmedabad, we go to Mumbai, they have their languages on the top of every billboard. But in Ludhiana, what is happening, everyone can see over there. Thank you.
So you can see people, they are very disappointed over here and they are demanding that the proper respect should be given to the Punjabi language, and on the other side there should be reinstatement of a statue of Major Bhupinder Singh as well as the tank captured by him, which was earlier installed over here at this point before the construction of this chowk. So you are watching The Suvera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.